How do I hide my LISTSERV list from the public? Under the List Management menu, click on List Configuration. The keyword that controls whether a list should be visible on the LISTSERV homepage or hidden from the public is called Confidential. Use the search box to locate this keyword and use the pull-down menu to set the keyword to Yes, followed by Update. Now the list is no longer displayed on the LISTSERV homepage. To access the archives of a confidential list, use the Access Unlisted Lists text box and type in the name of the confidential list followed by Search. Note that the confidential keyword only hides the list from view. It does not change who is allowed to view the archives. For example, if your list has public archives and you want to restrict access to them, go to List Configuration and locate the Notebook keyword. Then change the access level to Private, Owner, or even Postmaster. Now you will have a confidential list where archive access is also restricted. Thank you for watching.